Hello everybody, I was asked to do a quick video on this problem right here, so let's get started. It says, find the area of the semicircle. Semicircle literally means half a circle. Either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14 for pi and enter the answer as a decimal. All right, so let's talk about this. This is a circle. Sorry, excuse me, it's a semicircle. But let's imagine it were a full circle, right? So you'd have this right here, right? And you'd have this measurement here, which is 6, right? And then we have this piece that's cut away. It's gone. It's not there, right? So if you looked at this, actually um, I should have probably had the 6 more. Oops. I should have probably had the 6 more along. Wow, it's moving the whole thing. All right. I basically what I'm trying to say is the 6 should have really been more like here, okay? Which is showing that this is the distance all the way across. So essentially, this is a full circle, right? This is a circle with a diameter equal to 6 units, which means that the radius of this circle is equal to 3 units, right? So we have a circle with a radius of 3 units here. Well, the formula for area of a circle, area is equal to pi times radius squared, or pi times 3 squared, because that's the radius of the circle, is equal to 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 pi square units, right? Or units squared. But the deal is, by finding the area of the circle, we are overcounting this piece, right? That piece is not here, right? So what we need to do is, well, this is half of the area of this full circle, so 9 pi over 2, or divided by 2, is the same as, so we have to divide by 2 here because we have half a circle, is 9 pi over 2, or you can think of that as 9 over 2 times pi, or you can think about that as 4.5 times pi. These all mean the same thing, right? If you think about it, 9 pi over 2 is the same as if I were to take 9 over 2 times pi over 1. Right? If you think about this right here, 9 times pi is 9 pi. 2 times 1 is 2. So whether you write it this way, 9 pi over 2, 9 over 2 times pi, or divide 9 by 2 and you get 4.5, you get the same answer. So if somebody's asking you for the exact answer, you could put any of these 3 answer choices, right? They all mean the same thing. Now, but it also said you can use 3.14 in place of pi, which is fine by me, because if I take 9 divided by 2, so that's what 9 over 2 as a fraction is, you get 4.5, times pi, it said use 3.14 as an estimate, so times 3.14, you get 14.13 units squared. And this is the approximate area, all right? Units squared. So the exact area is any of these 3 here. The approximate area is this one. And I just want to kind of prove to you also, if I were to find the area of the full circle, which was 9 pi, right? So 9 times 3.14, 28.26. That's the area of this full circle. Remember, we came up with 9 pi is the area of the circle, right? But we have to cut half of it away. So divide that by 2, and you get 14.13. Now, both of these answers, 28.26 and 14.13, are approximate numbers because we're estimating pi to 3 decimal places. But approximately 14.13 is what 9 over 2 pi is, or 9 pi over 2, 9 over 2 pi, or 4.5 pi. These all are the same way of saying the exact area of the circle, which if you use 3.14 as an estimate, you get 14.13. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.